Topic is motion in straight line. Body moving in straight line motion. Bit 1. Distance equal to displacement, that is straight line motion or one dimensional motion. X coordinate, Y coordinate, Z coordinate. Out of 3 coordinates, only one coordinate will change. Other 2 coordinates remains constant. One dimensional motion. So distance equal to displacement, speed equal to velocity. Direction of velocity is same as direction of acceleration, that is motion in straight line. Our object here, graphical analysis. We go for straight line, equation of straight line. In geometry, you know y equal to mx, y proportional to x, m is constant known as slope. So how is the graph? You draw x axis, y axis, origin. This is the graph. Y equal to mx. The slope, this is the theta. Slope equal to tan theta equal to delta y, delta x, delta y, delta x. And here slope is positive because tan theta is positive. So y equal to mx. Case 1. Come to case 2. Y equal to mx plus c. C is intercept. The graph is like this. Yx, you go like this from C. Here C is positive intercept. So y equal to mx plus c. Graph 3. Y equal to mx minus. Here slope positive, intercept is positive, but here slope positive, intercept is negative. Here x, here y. So you go from negative c, here minus c, and this is the straight line. Right? Slope is positive, but intercept is negative. Y equal to mx minus c. A third category graph. Then we go for fourth category. Come to fourth category graph. You see negative slope. Fourth category, y equal to minus mx. So how you draw graph? X and y, you go downward from origin. Fifth category, y negative. Now you draw here this theta. Okay, so negative slope downward. Y equal to minus mx plus c. Intercept is positive but slope is negative. How you draw? X versus y. This is the graph. From plus c go downward. Y equal to minus mx plus c. Sixth category, y equal to minus x minus c. Minus slope minus intercept. So this is the origin. X axis, y axis, negative c. You will go like this. So all 4, 5, 6, all 6 graphs to be used in motion in straight line. Equation of straight line. How? Uniform speed. Uniform speed means constant speed. Here speed is constant. You see, speed v equal to x by t, distance by time. V is constant. X equal to vt. V is constant. So position is directly proportional to time. You compare y equal to mx or x equal to vt. You compare y equal to mx. Y versus x, m is slope. Here x versus t, v is slope. V is constant. So how you draw the graph? You draw like y equal to mx. You draw, take time along x axis, position along y-axis, go from origin. Okay, this is the graph versus for uniform speed versus time and x, position versus time. xt graph for uniform speed. The slope, if you draw the slope, here the slope of xt graph equal to tan theta equal to delta yx delta t del x by del t equal to speed. Okay, if you go like y equal to mx plus c or x equal to vt plus k, then you draw like this t versus x, this is k, this is the constant, go like this. So position time graph for uniform speed. Okay.